How to fix FaceTime. If it's grayed out for one person, if FaceTime is grayed out for a specific contact, here's how to fix it. 1. Check if your iPhone recognizes their device. Open the phone app and tap the eye icon next to the person's name or number. If FaceTime isn't an option or is grayed out, it means your phone doesn't recognize their number as being linked to an Apple device. To check, tap Messages, start typing a message, and see if the text bubble turns blue. Blue means they have an Apple device, iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Green means they're using an Android or their Apple ID isn't properly linked. 2. Restart FaceTime in Settings. Open the Settings app and scroll down to FaceTime. Toggle FaceTime off, wait a few seconds, then toggle it back on to reactivate it. Check under You Can Be Reached At to ensure your phone number and Apple ID are listed. 3. Refresh your network connection. Swipe down from the top right of your screen to open Control Center. Turn on airplane mode to disconnect from Wi-Fi and cellular networks. Wait a few seconds, then turn airplane mode off to reconnect. 4. Reset network settings. If the issue persists, go to Settings General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset network settings. This resets Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular settings to factory defaults. You'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi afterward. Once your phone restarts, FaceTime should work again, and you should be able to call that contact without issues. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.